Good morning. In the last videos, we cover text filters, date filters, number filters. Now, in this video, we are going to learn sorting data and manage parameters. So, let's start. First, I'm going to upload data, our sample data, into Power BI desktop. Click on the sheet, transform data, select any text column, click on the downward arrow, and you can find these two options: sort ascending or sort descending. So you can see it's sorted ascending, sort descending. Similarly, for date column, sort ascending. So 26/02/2021 is the first date, sort descending, and 26/11/2024 is the latest date in the data set. So we have covered now date sorting, data type, and text data type sorting. The remaining is number data type. So here, if I select interest on column, and if I want to sort data in ascending order, you can see we can see first negative values and then maximum values. Similarly, sort descending, highest value we can see in the first row. So we have successfully sorted data descending in descending order. So this is the small part of the Power BI query, sorting data. Also, there is one more topic in sorting data, that is nested sort. Suppose I want to sort ship mode as per ascending, and then interest in descending order. So you can see I'm going to zoom the screen. So you can see in the ship mode column is number one. So first criteria is ascending order we apply in ship mode column, and similarly we can see interest on column. Here you can find second two number. So first we apply sorting data as per the ascending order in the ship mode column, and then interest on column. So this is the nested sorting concept in Power BI in Power Query. So we have done with the sorting data. Then next topic is manage parameters. You can find that option in home tab, manage parameters. So in as per our data set, I'm going to select, suppose I'm going to apply manage parameters on marital status. So new parameter, we have to can give any name, then select type any in list of values, single, and second value is married. You can mention all the values or sum of values in this list of values. Then we have to select default value single and current value single and click on OK button. So here we have successfully created new parameter here, but you can see we are unable to sort data as per the marital status. It shows both the options single and married for all the data. So for that you have to go to sheet 1, go to column marital status, select the column using text filters contains. Here you can find this option ABC parameter or new parameter. Here ABC text is a hardcore value. Here we have to select parameter and it automatically shows marital status 1 because only one parameter we have created. So by default it shows same parameter. And just click on OK button and you can see here we select married, so it shows only data whose marital status is married. This suppose I am going to change to single. Now you can see it shows data for marital status single. So this is the use of manage parameter. Also you have to click on close and apply. We show now we see how to use that parameter for visualization purpose. Suppose I have select table option here and marital status and another table that is education level. So here if I click on edit parameters, go to transform data, edit parameters, and now select married and click on OK button and click on apply changes. So you can see one value is not present here. Again we check what was that value, edit parameter. Here doctorate, graduate, high school, uneducated, unknown, and for single unknown is extra value is present for single dataset. So this is the way we can use or any user can use the parameter option. It easily sort data or it easily filter data using manage parameter. So please like my videos Subscribe my YouTube channel Job at Punyanagari. Thank you.